We have to wait till the lights are on. Let's just look at all your ornaments first. What else is in there? You love Puppy. He's your decoration. What does this guy do? There's a switch on the bottom. Flick it. What does he do?
Shine.
He turns colors and shines.
And that's a puppy.
Oh, are they friends?
Yeah.
What else is in your box? What are these? What are they?
Mittens.
Mittens. Those are from Nan.
And what's this?
What is that?
It's a stroller.
Baby stroller. That was from Grams for your first Christmas when you were a baby. It's very breakable. We have to be careful with it. What's that guy?
It's a sparkly.
Yeah. What else is in this box? What's in here?
A snowman.
What does it say? Turn it around. What word is that? Just like this word. Do you remember? J-O-Y. That's right.
Joy.
That's right. That's from Grams. That's your middle name, Joy. Brother's playing with the bell.
A pickle.
The pickle.
I found pickle, Dad.
You found a pickle?
Yeah. It's my pickle I was talking.
You're our pickle toes. Oh. Yeah, Daddy's just putting the lights on, isn't he? Do you like that bell, Brother? The golden. So beautiful. That's from your first Christmas.
Yeah.
Baby's first Christmas, 2013. Is it Wonderment, Grant?